help me. Somebody make it stop. I can't take this anymore. Somebody help me. Somebody make it stop. I need a hero.
You've got a serious problem here. I can help. I can stop the snoring monster.
Who are you?
I'm Captain ZYPPAH. Now stand back.
You may have saved him, but you can't save them all! You may have won this battle, but I'll win the war! I'll get you, Captain ZYPPAH!
Another snoring monster laid to rest.
Captain ZYPPAH, how can I ever thank you?
We accept MasterCard, Visa, and American Express. There you go. I have to go. There are still many more houses where I have to silence the snoring monster.
I can't believe it's been a whole year since you haven't snored.
It's because of ZYPPAH.
I wish that everybody could have a ZYPPAH.
Happy birthday, ZYPPAH.